Telangana's Yadadri district triggered panic, leaving 2 workers dead and 9 others injured. Police said today that the explosion occurred at a unit of Hazello Lab Private Limited in a village, while workers were changing their respective shifts. Well, the blast reportedly occurred and triggered a major fire inside the pharmaceutical unit, and the loud explosion and flames caused panic among workers and residents in the nearby villages, with thick smoke reportedly visible from the entire area. And according to the police and fire officials, 9 people were injured in the incident. 2 of the injured workers suffered burns to more than 50% of their bodies, while 7 others sustained minor injuries. The injured were shifted to different hospitals for the treatment, and some reports said that workers from Bihar were among those injured. A fire official said that authorities received a call from local residents and reported a blast at the pharmaceutical company. 1 fire vehicle from the Chotupal and 2 additional fire tenders from nearby locations were rushed to the site. Firefighters managed to bring the flames under control after the deadly explosion, and police said that the emergency personnel also reached the spot soon after receiving information about the incident. Rural Circle Inspector Satish Reddy, Sub-Inspector Jagan and other police personnel reportedly rushed to the pharmaceutical unit as rescue and firefighting operations were underway. Officials suspect that a reactor may have exploded, although the exact cause of the blast has not yet been established, and a fire official said that an investigation was underway to determine what caused the explosion. Police have registered a case and launched a detailed probe into the incident, and the blast occurred at a time when the workers were changing their shifts, raising questions about workplace safety and the condition of the machinery at the facility. Authorities are expected to examine the reactor's safety systems and operating procedures as part of the investigation. The incident has also raised concerns because it reportedly follows another accident at the same company. And according to the local reports, a worker died in the accident at the unit last month. The consecutive incidents have increased concern among employees as well as residents living in nearby villages, and the latest blast has once again brought attention to industrial safety at the pharmaceutical and chemical manufacturing facilities in Telangana. The state has witnessed several serious industrial accidents in the recent years, including a major explosion at a pharmaceutical manufacturing plant in Sangareddy in June last year, which claimed more than 30 lives and injured many others. And that incident was reportedly linked to a chemical reaction. Well, in the present cases, however, authorities have not yet confirmed whether a chemical reaction, equipment failure or any other technical issue caused the reactor explosion, and the exact circumstance will become clearer after the investigation and inspection of the facility. Well, police have registered an FIR in connection with the incident and are collecting information from workers, company officials and witnesses. And investigators are also expected to examine whether proper safety protocols were being followed at a time of the blast and whether the machinery has undergone necessary inspections and maintenance. Well, the incident has left 2 families mourning and several other workers undergoing treatment. And the condition of the 2 workers who suffered burns over 50% remains a major concern, while the other injured workers are being treated for comparatively minor injuries. The fire department's quick response helped prevent the flames from spreading further within the facility or to surrounding areas, and police and fire officials remained at the site as rescue and initial investigation operations continued. And the explosion also caused fear among people living close to the industrial unit. Residents were reportedly alarmed by the sound of the blast and the fire that followed, and authorities are expected to assess whether the explosion caused any structural damage to the facility and whether there is any continuing risk to workers or nearby residents. Well, the investigation will now focus on the reactor and the circumstances immediately before the explosion, and officials will also examine the company's safety records, machinery condition and compliance with industrial safety norms. And for now, police have confirmed that 2 workers lost their lives and 9 others were injured in the reactor blast, and the injured have also been shifted to the hospitals. The fire has been brought under control and a formal investigation is currently underway to determine the exact cause of the accident and whether any negligence or safety violation was involved. Well, this latest incident has also highlighted serious concerns related to chemical manufacturing units and the need for strict safety measures, regular equipment inspections and effective emergency response systems in order to prevent such accidents from turning into major tragedies. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.